Breath in. Breathe out. Put the arms forward. So do you roll on your right side? Ah, best adjustment ever. It's after we just smoked his shoulder blades. He always pulls my arm up. Big breath in, breathe out, drop the shoulder, drop in. One more time, breathe in. Down. Breath in.